Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to set up email on your Samsung phone in 2025. With the latest updates, Samsung has made this process even smoother, so whether you're a newbie or just upgrading, you'll be sending and receiving emails in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Samsung phone is updated to the latest software. This ensures everything runs seamlessly. Start by unlocking your phone and heading to the home screen. Look for the Email app. It's usually pre-installed, but if not, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in the Email app, tap on the Add Account button. You'll see options for popular services like Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo, but if your email is from another provider, select Other. Now, enter your email address and password carefully. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. Next, the app might ask you to choose between IMAP, POP3, or Exchange, depending on your email provider. For most modern setups in 2025, IMAP is the way to go as it syncs across devices. If you're unsure, check your email provider's website for recommendations. Hit Next, and let the phone verify your details. After verification, you'll get options to customize your sync settings. Decide how often you want emails to sync. Maybe every 15 minutes for work, or less frequently to save battery. You can also choose which folders to sync, like Inbox or Sent Items. Once that's set, tap Done to finish. To test it out, open the app and see if your emails are loading. If everything looks good, you're all set. But if you run into issues, like authentication errors, make sure your password is correct or that two-factor authentication is handled properly. There you have it. Email setup on your Samsung phone is quick and straightforward. This will keep you productive and connected on the go. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.